Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is the Pahalgam incident, the activity, all those activities that were conducted in that area, in that particular area. I strongly condemn all those activities. I condemn killing of innocent people. It doesn't matter whether they're from Pakistan or any other part of the world. But unfortunately, Pakistan is being dragged into forcefully accepting that these attacks were conducted by Pakistan, which is not true. This was a false flags operation from India. So, in the form of this activity, the terrorist act, they got another chance to destroy the treaty. And I do not understand the agenda that India is behind or following. The BLA in Balochistan is operating by India's help. So is the terrorist activity that is being conducted in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Pakistan. The train incident, the recent train incident that took place in Pakistan, India was behind that as well. So it's quite unfortunate that India is behind everything, all the terrorist activities that are being conducted in Pakistan. They kill innocent people and soldiers who are defending their country, and I strongly condemn this activity. We must understand that we cannot progress when terrorism or terrorist activities are going on in a country because investors wouldn't come into our country. Similarly, India is stronger in the IT field, but with the advent of AI, their IT field is in doldrums. Maybe because the coding that the IT field does for the world in India won't be necessary because AI will replace all the coders and software engineers soon. So India's IT industry would experience a sharp decline. And besides everything else, they don't have a good relationship with China. If you want to stay in Southeast Asia or the area that we are living in, then you need to have good ties with China because China is the manufacturing hub of the world. It's quite unfortunate for them, but fortunately for Pakistan, still we are in good terms with China. And I really appreciate the Chinese effort. Whatever they have done for their country, it's remarkable and it's commendable because they have risen, because the poverty has significantly reduced in China, and that's a good thing. All the countries can learn from the Chinese example to bring the poorer people out of poverty. So, on that note, I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.